Hey folks, it's that time again. Welcome to 2 Minutes with Bill Robinson, brought to you by the Perry Hill Road Church of Christ here in Montgomery, Alabama. As we continue our thoughts on the unity of the Spirit, the biblical meaning of the phrase, the unity of the Spirit, means simply the unity which the Spirit revealed through the apostles and writers of the New Testament. And the unity of the Spirit was as much a means of identifying the Lord's church as anything. And the exhortation to unity is a reminder to us as readers of what God intended for His church in Christ to be. Paul's declaration of unity in Ephesians 4, verses 1 through 6. He not only identifies the church which Jesus established, but he is citing the basis of the church's reality. That is, its reason for existence. So it is not only unity, but it is an identity carved out by the realities of these 7 ones that he mentions in verses 4 through 6. The oneness of these are essential to the church in the New Testament if it is to grow up in every way into Him who is the head, into Christ. So, after encouraging his readers to be eager to maintain the unity of the Spirit, in verses 1 through 3, the apostle enjoins upon them these 7 distinctives in verses 4 through 6. There is one body and one Spirit, just as you are called to the one hope that belongs to your call. One Lord, one faith, one baptism, one God and Father who is over all and through all and in all. My plan over the next few days is to talk about these 7 distinctives that not only characterize the unity of the church, but mark the identity and reality of the church belonging to Christ. For those who are New Testament Christians, our commitment to these 7 distinctives is what brings about our unity, our oneness, as it did in the church we read about in the New Testament. Permit me to say it again. It is only by our commitment to the oneness of these 7 distinctives as Christians today, as followers of Christ, that we coalesce into the uniqueness and unity of the church, just as they did in the New Testament. How about you, friend? Are you interested in learning more about the unity of Christ and His church? Email me at perryhillchurch@gmail.com. perryhillchurch@gmail.com. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for listening.